A lot of people out there are searching for ways to reach that coveted milestone of earning their first 100K, or seeking strategies to secure a comfortable retirement. Others aspire to thrive as entrepreneurs, aiming to amass enough wealth to afford luxurious homes, powerful cars, and unforgettable vacations. Yet the path to true riches remains elusive for many. So, how does one actually become rich? Becoming rich entails more than simply accumulating a certain amount of money. It's a mindset, a state of being. Interestingly, it's possible to possess substantial wealth and still feel impoverished, just as one can experience richness despite a modest bank balance. The definition of rich varies from person to person. For some, it purely revolves around financial abundance, with being a millionaire serving as the ultimate benchmark. However, richness can also encompass psychological well-being, a sense of freedom from financial worries. It doesn't necessarily require owning a grand castle. Rather, anyone can achieve richness by pursuing their desires and finding fulfillment in life. The secret lies in living contentedly with what you have, or even less, despite having the means to do much more. You may have your own preference for which definition of richness resonates with you, but let's explore some practical ways to embark on the journey towards wealth. These strategies can help you move closer to either or both interpretations of being rich. If you have your sights set on becoming exceptionally wealthy, it's time to make daring moves. Achieving great riches is an ambitious goal, and if that's what you're aiming for, I've got some simple yet powerful ways to help you get there. Harness your skills and invest in becoming a self-employed expert. Make it your mission to excel in one specific area, surpassing anyone else in your field. Dedicate yourself to honing your skills, training rigorously, constantly learning, practicing relentlessly, evaluating your progress, and refining your craft. Take a moment to observe how many sports players or entertainers have amassed fortunes by leveraging their skills to the fullest. If you possess a talent or expertise, chances are you can reap significant rewards from it. The key is to aim for the top in your chosen domain. When you become the very best at something, you'll find that opportunities naturally gravitate towards you. Becoming an expert requires an unwavering commitment to constant improvement. Successful individuals invest their time, energy, and resources into self-development, and this investment can yield the most remarkable returns. To kickstart your journey, determine the skill you wish to cultivate. Create a list of the 10 most accomplished individuals worldwide in that particular field. Use this list as a reference to set criteria and track your progress toward becoming the best. For instance, if you're an aspiring writer, consult the New York Times bestseller list and identify the 10 most successful authors who inspire you. Dive into their stories, uncover the secrets of their success, and delve into their literary works. Invest your time and energy in refining your craft by studying the achievements of those who have triumphed before you. Reach $100,000, then put the rest to work. We all crave quick wealth, but it's important to recognize that achieving such a goal in a short time frame is no easy feat. Rather than fixating on how to get rich overnight, set your sights on saving $100,000 as a starting point. Don't underestimate the power of small daily savings, even if you can only set aside $5 or $10 at a time. Each of these contributions serves as a solid financial building block. Embrace innovation and see it as an opportunity to make a difference. Shift your focus from chasing quick riches to serving a wide audience. By contemplating people's needs and identifying ways to improve society, your insights will have a more significant impact. Moreover, you might even be the first to bring a trending product to market in the future. When your aim is to serve a large number of people, the power of word of mouth amplifies, and you'll receive invaluable feedback to enhance your offerings. Securing a patent for a popular invention could serve as your express ticket to prosperity, just like the case of Snapchat. Undoubtedly, this path will come with challenges, but consider it as a means of serving and benefiting those who genuinely require your invention. Remember, no business can thrive without public support. Rather than solely focusing on squeezing every last dollar from your customers, Demonstrate your commitment to improving their lives. Show them that you're actively working towards making their lives better. Get involved with a startup and acquire company stocks. Building on the previous point about startups, investing in stocks of one or more startup companies can be a lucrative venture if the company flourishes and either goes public or gets acquired by a larger enterprise. It's important to note that only a small fraction of startups achieve significant capital gains, so the odds may not be in your favor. However, with careful assessment, you can identify promising business ideas and capable management teams that have a higher likelihood of success. Early employees at companies like Apple, Google, and Microsoft became millionaires by taking advantage of this opportunity. Venture into property development. For generations, buying, developing, and selling properties has been a significant avenue for individuals to accumulate wealth. Borrowing funds can play a crucial role in this method. Let's say you borrow $200,000 and contribute $50,000 of your own to purchase a property worth $250,000. By developing the property and selling it for $400,000, its value has increased by 60%. As a result, your initial investment of $50,000 has now multiplied fourfold to $200,000. However, it's important to carefully select the right properties in favorable locations and execute development strategies wisely. There is inherent risk associated with fluctuations in the property market, including both booms and busts. Nonetheless, in the long run, property development remains a proven avenue for wealth accumulation. Build a diverse portfolio of stocks and shares. By making steady investments in stocks over an extended period, making wise choices, and reinvesting dividends, you can amass significant wealth. It's important to note that stocks can fluctuate in either direction, which may discourage some small investors when their portfolio experiences a downturn. However, in the long term, equities prove to be as valuable an investment as property, offering the additional benefit of higher liquidity. Market crashes actually present great buying opportunities for those with available cash and a strong resolve. Establish your own business and eventually sell it. In recent years, numerous startups have achieved remarkable success, generating substantial returns on investment. If you can identify a fresh approach to a specific market niche and build a business that caters to that demand, you have the potential for success. The possibilities are vast, ranging from a cleaning business to a food delivery service or even a blog. Building such an enterprise will likely demand years of hard work and require you to navigate risks and endure stress. However, if you can overcome these challenges, the potential rewards can be enormous. Many of the wealthiest individuals have achieved their success through this very path. Make smart investment choices. Investing is far from a game of chance. A single investment blunder could lead to a significant loss of your assets. Therefore, it is crucial to carefully consider your investment decisions, whether they involve properties or stocks. Take the time to think twice before committing, and don't hesitate to seek advice from professionals and experts. As an example, renowned investor Warren Buffett advises allocating 10% of your cash into short-term government bonds and the remaining 90% into a low-cost S&P 500 index fund. This strategy ensures that even in the event of a market crash, you can rely on the 10% cash reserve rather than selling stocks at unfavorable prices. Achieving wealth the wise way. Accumulating wealth should never be the sole pursuit in life. After all, who wants to end up rich but unloved, lonely, and in poor health? However, if you can strike a balance and enjoy a fulfilled life while also attaining financial prosperity, why not strive for both? While there are no guarantees of a prosperous future by following the aforementioned suggestions, they can certainly alleviate many financial burdens in your life. Take one step at a time, and who knows, perhaps you'll become the person you've always aspired to be.